ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. Before we enter into it, Ru is the dhatu. So we were adding pratyayas, think pratyayas to make a kriyapada.
Screen is not visible.
Huh?
Screen share is
sorry, I forgot to share. Kru is the dhatu. To make a kriyapada, we were adding lat lakara, all 10 lakaras, tiptas ji, siptas tha, all those pratyayas we were adding.
My screen is not visible, Amma.
Now
visible.
Now it is visible.
I think your internet is slow.
Okay, Amma.
We were adding think pratyayas, tiptas ji, siptas tha, mippas mas, etc. We were adding. So, for example, who dhatu is there? If we add lang lakara form, lang lakara prathama purusha ekavachanam, what will be the form? Final form is what?
Bhavat.
Bhuyat.
Abhavat. Lang lakara form. Past tense, na? Bhuyat is vidhiling. Abhavat, this is the form. But when we write some shloka or we are writing a big commentary, we can't go and write too many letters. So we need space, we need time, all those things take away if form is big. Especially in shlokas and all. In shlokas, limited letters are there, only 12 letters. So abhavat, when we add two more letters are not two, one more letter is getting extra. So instead of abhavat, what we need, one letter should be less. Bhutaha. This is the past tense form. Bhutaha we added. This is also kriyapada. Abhavat is also kriyapada. Bhutaha is also kriyapada. Here we added lang lakara. Here, instead of lang lakara, what we are adding is bhu dhatu plus ta pratyaya. This ta, tavatu, all these are called krut pratyayas. They are named as krut. So that krut is at the end. This ta is one of the krut pratyaya. This Krit Pratyaya is at the end. That's why it is called Kridanta. Is it clear?
Okay. One minute.
Yes.
There is another kind of forms also there, Tadhita Pratyaya. Krit Pratyayas will decline as noun. Tadhita Pratyaya will decline as Kriya Pada, I think. Kriya Pada or noun? I don't remember. Okay.
So Krit is from Kriya, Dhatu to noun. Tadhit is noun to noun. That's how I...
Tadhit is noun to noun. Okay. One is Kriya to noun, and there is noun. But I have no idea about Tadhita Pratyayas. What are the Tadhita Pratyayas and all? But in this Rachananvar commentary at the end, they have given some Tadhita Pratyayas also. We'll see that. Now, this Vaha Vidyalaya Gaya. One more point. In Naishkarmya Siddhi, in last class, whatever was the shloka number, in that there is Karmani Prayoga. Anybody has noticed it? Okay, I don't remember the shloka numbers. But in shloka itself, Karmani Prayoga is. Of course, in many places it is coming. Okay. This.
Is it this one, Gunaki? Natmana Natan Tadamshena Guna Swasya
It is the after this shloka where this.
Yatra yo drishyate drishta, that one?
After that.
Okay, so that one is the last one which Swamiji has done. That is Natmana.
What is the shloka? Yatra?
First, the one which I was chanting earlier was Yatra yo
Shloka. Can you read shloka? Can you tell the number?
Yeah.
Shloka number?
One is 25, the next one is 26.
25.
Natmanana tadam shena gunaswasto vagamyate abhinavavacha niramshatvatma karmataha.
Yaha drishyate drashtra. Drashtra is in Tritiya. Drishyate. Yaha drishyate. Karma is in Prathama. Drishyate is following the Yaha. Drashtra Yaha drishyate. That was the karma. 25th shloka. Okay. Yes, Anusha, can you continue? Ninth one.
Vidyalaya Gaya Saha Vidyalayam Gataha.
Yes. By which niyama?
Gachyadaka karma.
Next.
वह बाद में गांव में आया, सः पश्चात् ग्रामम् आगतः।
Next. Shivananji. Prabhaji is there, no? Okay, Shivananji.
वह शीघ्र सोया, सः शीघ्रं सोया।
Okay. This soya is what is the dhatu?
सोया
And is it sakarmaka dhatu or akarmaka dhatu?
सोया is अकर्मक धातु।
Akarmaka dhatu. So in akarmaka dhatu, what are the things will be there? Karta, karma, kriya.
अकर्मक धातु, it is a भाववाचक।
Bhavavachaka. Okay. In Bhavavachaka, how many things can be there?
भाववाचक, there is no karmani, karma. There is only karta and kriya. Kriya will be pratama vibhakti napumsakalinga. Karta will be in pratama vibhakti.
Pratama Vibhakti?
Napumsakali pratama vibhakti.
Napumsakalingam Pratama Vibhakti. Karta?
Karta also pratama vibhakti.
Karta also Pratama Vibhakti. In Bhavavachaka. Anybody?
Tritiya.
Tritiya. Karta is in Tritiya. Karta is in Tritiya. Kriya Pada will be Napumsakalinga Ekavachanam. Now, you can try.
So, yeah.
What is the Karta? Karta should be what?
Tritiya vibhakti.
What is the Tritiya Vibhakti?
Tena शीघ्रं सुप्तः।
Okay, she is the dhatu. She swapne. Shing swapne. Shaitam. Shaitam is the napumsak. Shaitam is the napumsakalinga ekavachanam. Okay. Next. Mama.
Putra huwa. Putram abhavat.
This is who. Putra huwa. Is it bhavavachka or kartari prayoga?
I think it is bhava only.
In bhavavachka, karta will be?
But is putra is not, is it the karta in this case? Yeah, I guess. So putrena, how did you get to Shaitam? I didn't understand. I thought it was
Shaitam. Oh, okay.
Shaitam.
This is then Krit Pratyaya.
Okay, I see.
This Tap Pratyaya.
Okay.
Kridanta
In is it
Napumsakalinga Ekavachanam.
Tapatya? Okay. So similarly, we can do bhu plus, we just did bhutaha, right?
Yes, yes. But here Napumsakalingam we need. See, Shayitam is.
In Shigram, then Punsakalinga. So here also we will need Nipans. So it will be Bhutam.
Yes.
Putre Bhutam. Okay.
Putrena Bhutam.
Yes.
Next.
It won't be Jatam, Purnaji?
Jatam
has to
is
be
born. Here it is not born. He
okay.
he had a son. That is the meaning.
Oh, just as like not born, but he just had a
No.
son like that. Okay.
Had a son.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Upendra ji.
Riyamma.
Hmm.
My baita. My maya. मया बैठा इसके लिए मैं क्या क्रिया करूं?
As dhatu, they have given.
As dhatu. As dhatu, how it will form?
Asitam.
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 Maya
I
asitam.
think they might have given.
It's Asitam, right? Is it As plus the becomes Asita Kridanta.
In this chapter, they have not given the dhatu forms. Is it asitam?
It was in one of the other chapters, I think, Potumaji is saying it's Asitam only, like Rasvaikara.
Okay, okay. Asitam. Next. Vijaya ji.
भाई ने भाई का आलिंगनम किया, भ्रात्रेण भ्रातृं श्लिष्यति,
Bhrata bhratuhu shlishtaha.
श्लिष्ट
Yeah,
We
it
have
will be the 124 niyama.
Tatra.
1 minute. You see this niyama, gatyartha karmaka. These dhatus, shlish, she, stha, as, vas, jan, ruh, jru. These dhatus can be written in kartru prayoga also, kartari prayoga also. So here this shlish belongs to this kind of dhatu. So we can write this in kartari prayoga. Bhrata dhatuhu shlishtaha.
Don't we need the A upasarga? So Ashlishtaha for Alinganam.
Oh, sorry. It's required. Ashlishtaha. Ashlishtaha.
Purnaji, can it be Bhratra, Bhrataram, Aslishtaha? Or no, that Bhrataram is wrong.
What is that?
If it is Kartari Prayoga?
I used Shashti.
Okay, so it can be either one, correct?
Yeah, Bhrataram is also can. Right.
Okay. So then, okay, Bhratra, Bhrataram, Aslishtaha.
And Bhratra, Bhrata. Prathama ekavachanam.
Prathama ekavachanam.
Next one.
मै वहा रहा मया तत्र वसः और गतः अम्मा
Mm.
మయా తత్ర గతః అని చెప్పొచ్చమ్మా లేకపోతే వస్తు ఇచ్చారు
Gatah.
కాబట్టి
Gatah. What is gatah? Raha means to stay. Undadam.
వసతే
Was that how to decline? In ta pratyaya?
వసతం
Ushitam.
వసతే
No.
Undama?
Ushitam. Ushitam. Samprasarana will happen. Va will change into u. Sa will change into sha. Ushitam. If you remember, we saw samprasaranam. Ya, va, ra, la will change into e, u, ru, ru. Ushitam. Next one.
वह आसन पर सोया सः आसनम अधिशयितः
शयितः राधा अधिशयित
Adhi upasarga they have given.
she dhatu is bracket in there.
Where Adhi upasarga is given?
Adhi is not given. I assume that वह आसन पर सोया. So
Okay, I don't know which. If we add Adhi upasarga, well, meaning will sometimes meaning will change, sometimes meaning won't change. So we can use Shi dhatu only.
okay, then shayitah. Okay.
Can you repeat again? What is that?
Yes, I can repeat. सः आसनं शयितः.
Shayit. Yes. Next. Shivananji.
అమ్మా ఇక్కడ ఆసనే అని చెప్పకూడదమ్మా
According to this niyama, this is kartari prayoga, that karma is in dvitiya. With that niyama, we are using dvitiya. But there could be some other niyamas. Based on that, we will write asane, because we read bhashya sometimes, karma will be in other cases also. So far we have not seen those niyamas, but asane is also correct. Next. Shivananji.
Yes. बालक पैदा हुआ. So this is also Bhavavachaka.
Yes.
So
It's not Bhavavachaka. It's not Karmavachaka.
कर्म पैदा हुआ
Kartari, sorry, Kartari prayog. That kind.
बालकः अजन बालकः अजनयेत्.
Jataha. Ta pratyaya. Jan is the dhatu. It becomes jataha.
This is past tense.
Yes.
Sorry.
Ta pratyaya.
So,
We are doing ta pratyaya past tense.
जाता
जातः.
बालक जाता.
Next.
मैं पर्वत पर चढ़ा. अहम पर्वतः रूढः. इस पर्वत एकवचनम, I mean sorry, प्रथमा.
No, parvata is can be dvitiya or saptami.
द्वितीय सप्तमी. Okay. Is it पर्वते रूढः or पर्वतम रूढः?
Parvatam we can take
Okay.
according to this niyama.
इलापुराय च
It is
मया
रूढ
शिलं रुदितः.
Maya
శిల అంటే పర్వతం కదా.
in Sanskrit shila
Ruhudat.
is parvata.
ఓకే, మయా పర్వతం రుదితః. రుహు ధాతు రుదిత కదా.
It's rude.
Ruh past tense we are using ta pratyaya rudhaha.
ఓకే,
So we cannot use arudaha. Aham parvatam arudaha.
We can use arudaha. Same meaning. Rudaha, arudaha, same meaning.
మయా వస్తుంది కదా.
You see? Aham parvatam rudhaha. If you write in karmani prayoga, maya parvataha rudhaha.
Okay.
In that case, parvata will become prathama. If we are writing in karmani prayoga, karmani prayoga, maya parvataha rudhaha. Kartari prayoga, aham parvatam rudhaha. You see the 124th niyama. In this rugh dhatu is also there. So these dhatus can be right in both karmani and kartari prayoga also, because they say kartravachya mein bhi hota hai. In kartravachya also can be right. So karmavachya is general, but optionally kartravachya also. Okay, next. Shiva, Upendra ji.
प्रियम्मा देवदत्त वृद्ध हुआ. देवदत्तः जीर्णः.
Yes, next.
वह आया और मैं गया. सः आगतः సహ ఆగతః మయా గతః చ. ముందు పెట్టచ్చు, ముందు పెట్టాలి.
అహం గతః చ.
ఓకే, అహం గతః చ.
గతః చ. So sandhi will happen gatascha. Next.
विद्यार्थी योगी और त्यागी की पूजा करता है. छात्रः योगी. तृतीय वस्तुनम योगिनम.
No. This is kartari prayoga. Prathama only.
योगी त्यागी च पूज्यते. पूज्यते अस्ति न पूज्यते अस्ति
Can we say pujita?
Pujayanti,
पूजयति or
pujayanti, because there are two. That's why.
But Tyagi ki is given Shashti. Can anyone translate into English that Vakya?
The student is doing worship of the yogi and the tyagi.
Okay. Yogi or Tyagi will go with together. So I read it Vidyarthi, Yogi and Tyagi. So these three are together, I read it.
Oh.
So this Shashti will go with what? That I was confusing. Huh. Anisha, can you do again?
ఇప్పుడు షష్ఠిలో చెప్పమంటారమ్మా
విద్యార్థి యోగికి త్యాగికి పూజ చేస్తున్నాడు. యోగి
చా-
త్యాగి ఇద్దరు కూడా షష్ఠిలో ఉండాలి.
छात्रः योगिनः त्यागिनः च पूजयति पूज्यति
ఏం రావాలి?
पूजयति
పూజయతి. యోగినః త్యాగినః योगी त्यागिनोः. If we use samasa, षष्ठी द्विवचनम योगी त्यागिनोः.
आम् ओके ओके
नेक्स्ट
मंत्री मंत्रणा करता है. मंत्री मंत्र्यते मंत्र्यति
मंत्रयति.
मंत्रयति.
नेक्स्ट वन
हाथी दंडधारियों को दुख दे रहा है. हाथी प्रथमा विभक्ति. गजः दंडधारियों को.
you can use karin shabda hathi. karin दंडिनः पीडयति. karin is not prathama ekvati. kari दंडिनः पीडयति.
करी दंडिनः पीडयति.
नेक्स्ट
वह वस्त्रों को धोता है. सह can I use द्वितीया like वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालयति or do I need to use
yes
okay fine वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालयति.
प्रक्षालयति.
Yes, that's
क्रियापद गोष्ठी.
Yes. Oh, prakshalayati. It is goes with karta, right? Saha.
Next, Upendra ji.
हरिओम. पिता पुत्रों का पालन करता है. पितुः पुत्रान् पालयति.
पिता पुत्रान् पालयति.
Can it be okay, Amma?
It should be pita, not pituhu. Pita is prathama ekavachanam.
Yeah, karta में प्रथमा. ठीक है. Sorry.
Next.
పుత్రం వస్తుందా పుత్రాన్ వస్తుందా?
पुत्रं का बहुवचनम. द्वितीय बहुवचनम पुत्रान.
ओके. ज्ञानी वाग्मी को प्रेरणा देता है. జ్ఞాని వాగ్మి అంటే
బాగా మాట్లాడేటటువంటి వారు, మంచి వక్త. వాగ్మిన్ శబ్దకోశం ఉందా? చతుర వక్త, మాట్లాడడంలో చతురత కలిగినటువంటి వారు.
వాగ్మిన్
వాగ్మినం.
వాగ్మినం. జ్ఞాని వాగ్మినం ప్రేరయతి.
Yes. Next.
वह पक्षियों को गिनता है. सः पक्षिणः गणयति.
Yes. Next.
विधि ने शशि को बनाया. विधि ही शशिम अरचयत.
Is it past tense? Rachayati.
Yes, it is past tense.
Okay. Arachayat.
अरचयत. बनाया.
If we use the pratyaya,
then विधिना शशिहि रचतः रचितः.
विधिना शशि रचितः. Next. शिवानंद जी.
योगी सोचता है. योगिनः चिन्तयति.
Why योगिनः?
योगी सोचता है.
चिंत धातु is akarmaka or sakarmaka?
अकर्मक.
Akarmaka. Karta should be in which vibhakti?
तृतीय विभक्ति. And it should be नपुंसकलिंग.
What is the tritiya for yogi?
योगी
Yogina.
Okay. योगिना
चिंतितम. योगिना चिंतितम. Next.
योगिना चिंतितम.
It's why is it not chintayati? Not why is it chintitam? Chintitam is past tense, right?
Okay. Sochta is present tense. Okay. Sorry. Chintayati.
Yogina chintayati. Okay.
Yes. Yogina chintayati. Yogina tritiya is okay. But it is lat lakar. Next.
वाग्मी कथा कर रहा है. वाग्मी कथयति. It is sakarma.
कथां कथयति.
మా కథాం కథయతి అని చెప్పకూడదా?
Katham kathayati.
Okay.
Katha is also there. So katham kathayati. In next chapter, I think time is over. 1 minute is there. Okay, we'll see the shabdas just. We can finish. Right. Atman shabda we all know. Atman means Jivatma means Jivatma. Paramatman means Paramatma. All are Napumsakalinga, Nakaranta shabdas. Brahman is also Nakaranta. So, Brahman, Pullinga is there, Napumsakalinga is also there. Dvijanman, Ashman, we'll see these meanings tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.